This is also a question asked in June 2015 NET paper. When opening stock is 50,000, they have given opening stock, and closing stock is 60,000, and the cost of goods sold is 2,20,000. The stock turnover ratio will be, they have asked to find out the stock turnover ratio. They have given the options 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times. To find out the stock turnover ratio, the formula is cost of goods sold divided by average inventory. Average inventory we have to find out because they have given here opening stock and closing stock. Average inventory is equal to opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. Opening stock is 50,000, closing stock is 60,000 divided by 2 months. We will get 1,10,000 divided by 2. Average inventory is 55,000. So, stock turnover ratio is equal to cost of goods sold divided by average inventory. Cost of goods sold they have given 2,20,000 divided by average inventory we have find out 55,000. So once we simplify, stock turnover ratio will be 4 times. So the option C is the correct answer, 4 times. One more question we are discussing. This was asked in January 2015 NET paper regarding ratio analysis. If stock turnover ratio is 6 times, average stock is 8,000, selling price is 25% above the cost, what is the amount of gross profit? They have asked to find out the gross profit. Options are 2,000, 10,000, 4,000, and 12,000. So cost of goods sold is equal to, here they have given stock turnover ratio is 6 into, here average stock inventory is 8,000. So 6 into 8,000 is 48,000. 48,000 is the cost of goods sold. Gross profit formula is cost of goods sold into selling price above the cost. So to find out the cost of goods sold, we need to put the formula as stock turnover ratio into average stock. Here we use the same formula 8,000 into 6. To find out the gross profit, we need to use this formula COGS into selling price above the cost. So 48,000 into 25 divided by 100. So 12,000. 12,000 is the gross profit. So option D is the correct answer. Thank you. This is the question asked in December 2015 NET UGC NET paper regarding ratio analysis. Let us see. X Limited has a liquid ratio of 2:1. If its stock is 40,000, stock means inventory is 40,000, and its current liabilities are 1 lakh. Current liabilities they have given. Its current ratio will be, we have to find out the current ratio. Options they have given us 1.4 times, 2.4 times, 1.2 times, and 3.4 times. Liquid assets formula is, liquid asset they have given 2:1. So liquid assets means total liabilities divided by 1 into 2. So we will get to know the liquid assets. So once we apply the formula, we will get 2 lakh as liquid assets. So current assets also we don't know. So 2 lakh plus 40,000. 40,000 stock they have given. So that is also a current liability. Sorry, current asset. So we have to add 2 lakh plus 40,000. 2 lakh 40,000 is the current assets. Liquid assets are only cash and cash equivalents. Stock is a current asset. So we have to add stock to the liquid assets. So 2 lakh 40,000 is the current assets. Current ratio formula is, we all know, current assets divided by current liabilities. Current assets we have got 2 lakh 40,000. 2 lakh 40,000 divided by current liabilities they have given 1 lakh. Once we simplify this current ratio, we will get 2.4 times. So option B is the correct answer. 2.4 times is the current ratio. Thank you. Hello friends, here in this video we are going to discuss two type of questions which was asked in December 2014 regarding ratio analysis. Current ratio they have given 2.55 times and liquid ratio is 1.5 times, and working capital they have given 60,000. What is the current assets? We need to find out the current assets. So option 60,000, 80,000, 1 lakh and 1 lakh 20,000 they are given. If current asset is 2.5 into current liabilities, because 2.5 is the current ratio. Current ratio into current liabilities means we will get the current assets. Working capital they have given 60,000. Let's we consider current liabilities be X. Okay. Current assets into current liabilities minus X is equal to 60,000. This is the working capital. So if we simplify, 2x minus x means x is 2x minus x is 1x, 1.5x. So x we will keep here and is equal to 60,000 divided by 1.5. So 40,000 is the current liabilities. Current assets means 2.5 into x is current liability. Current liability is 40,000 into 2.5 means 1 lakh. 1 lakh is the current assets. So option C is the correct answer. Next question is total asset turnover ratio they have given 3 times, net profit margin 10%, total assets they have given 1 lakh. So we need to find out the total profit. Options are 10,000, 15,000, 25,000 and 30,000. Return on asset is equal to return on asset we need to find out. Return on asset is equal to net profit margin into total asset turnover. Net profit margin they have given 10% into total asset turnover. Total asset turnover they have given 3 times. So 3 into 3 into 3. 10% into 3 means 30%. 30% is the return on asset return on asset ratio. So profit we need to find out. Total asset they have given is 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 30%. 30% is the profit in the total margin. So 1 lakh into 30 divided by 100 means 30,000 is the profit. So option D is the answer, 30,000. Thank you.